Austin, and this is my knife. It's a knife, and it's real sharp. You can't try to knife yourself or anything. And today I'm going to make a beanie weenies. This is the first time I'm using my coyote for teeth.me. And today we're going to make beanie weenies on the coyote stove. Stay tuned. Today I have two parts of my video. This first, we're doing number one right now, cooking beanie weenies on the stove. In the next part I'm going to show you what's in my backpack. That's what I'm going to do. The stove worked really well, and my beanie weenies are awesome. Steve, thank you for my stove. It's perfect. We're back inside now from that little fire back there. Remember it? I hope you do, but this is what it looks like all filled up. And this is my spoon in a cannibal. You see it's kind of tucked on my zipper, but that's okay. And I have a water bottle and a compass and a whistle. And later we're going to open this up and pack everything out. I'm back. This is all the stuff in my bag. And this is my cleanup bag. It has some soap, some cleanup hands, wipes, some toothpaste, some tissues, and you can see there, you can see the soap and a toothbrush there. And this is my signal. And if you put it near the sun and let the helicopter see it in case you're lost, that's a signal. This might take a little while. And this is my knife. It's really sharp. You can't try to touch yourself. And this is my filter wall. It has the filter stuff like usual. And this is my matching bag. It has some fast wood in it. A matcher, something that looks like soap, but you can put on fire, some candle wax, some matches, some spark wood, some fat wood. And these are my walking gloves. They're kind of dirty, but I know that. And this has a flashlight, some tree stuff, and glow sticks, and another glow stick, some hand warmers, a bracelet, a pencil, and a flashlight. And this is an emergency blanket and a tote. And this is my rice. You can see there it has a little bit of the stuff there. And these are my ramen noodles. I can't really see where the stuff is. And this is my food bag. And this is, do I say that? And this is my water bottle. And this is my fork and spoon tucked together. And my juice mix. And my cup and my oven. You can see it's a little black there and dark, but that's okay. And this is my hat to keep me warm. And these are my long jeans. And these are my socks and stuff. And this is my tent. And my hammock. That's all for today.